Hey everybody, Silver here, or aka Boyd. Just got out of the liquor store, bought a big bottle of Corona, having hot dogs tonight. Gonna be delicious, can't wait. But I just wanted to show you that this is my new addition, my sweet dash cam that I'm gonna be using to document my travel to Vancouver. And yes, I will be traveling to Vancouver in a 1999 Z24 Cavalier. Isn't she a beaut? Oh, a bird pooped on my car. She is a beaut. Runs like a dream. Couldn't ask for anything better. Oh, busy in the liquor store today. Okay, well, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.